Lovelies, do you know that WhatsApp can pay you daily, even as a beginner, even without sophisticated gadgets, without a camera? Do you know that? It can pay you money depending on which knowledge and which method you're using. In today's video, I'm going to show you that many people use WhatsApp just for messaging, for scrolling, for chatting, for sending their loved ones pictures, for updating them. But the few are using WhatsApp to make money on a daily basis. They have turned WhatsApp to be a money-making machine without forgetting they are helped by internet. Because if you can use WhatsApp, it means you have access to internet. Good morning, good afternoon, welcome back to this mind-blowing video. Thanks for allowing me being on your screen. This is a lady that says I should not hold a smartphone and beg for bread. Irrespective of which type of smartphone, is it expensive? Is it cheap? Is it Android? Is it iPhone? You can make money with your WhatsApp. You can make it with your WhatsApp status. You can make it with WhatsApp messaging chat. So before we dive in, I would love to put a big disclaimer, you guys. This video is for education purposes. I'm not saying that the moment you listen and finish, then you start using WhatsApp, you're going to be a millionaire, you're not going to lack. No. There are terms and conditions. So just take this 2 to 10% from this video, go and research, try out. Don't forget, everything you do, consistency is the key. So my special engagers, I love you so much. I'm honored to be part of you. I'm honored for you to be part of my family. I love you. You really engaging these videos on all social media platforms is not, I can't take it for granted. Let's dive in and see exactly how do you make money with your WhatsApp. Now, the first one we're going to look at freelancing. When we are talking about freelancing, I'll be showing you what exactly do we mean by freelancing. Freelancing, if you can have things like you can type, you're a good typer, you're a good typewriter. If you can design, you're a good designer. What do we mean design? You can design posters, you can design thumbnails, you can design photos and any others. You can use WhatsApp and make money. And how do you do it? You just go to your WhatsApp status, upload what you do, upload your statuses, upload samples, upload the information that you hold if you have a skill. And from there, people within your WhatsApp family will be checking your WhatsApp status. You know, I don't see it viable for someone to be checking your WhatsApp without gaining from there. If you go to my WhatsApp, you'll find something that I'm using it. By that, I use my WhatsApp to show you what I do, even sometimes to encourage you, but majorly I use WhatsApp to put what I do as far as making money online is concerned. That is freelancing. Let's talk about affiliate marketing. Most people don't know what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing, you don't need to be a millionaire to start affiliate marketing. You don't need to have expensive gadgets to start marketing. You don't need to have a very big audience to start marketing. No. For affiliate marketing, what you do, you promote products of other people using links. You can be official and go to places like Amazon, places like Shein, but majorly I talk about Amazon because Amazon, I've been in Amazon before. Now I'm into Wayfair. These ones, the moment someone clicks on a link and buys something from there or buy a product or a service, that money is going to be, you are going to get a commission. And in this, if you want to know much how to gain from this, it's not everybody that does affiliate marketing will get much money, but there are other ways you can make sure that you make good money, especially if you invest in a better niche. And if you've been with me, you know what better paying niches are. They also apply to affiliate marketing. For example, someone who is dealing in for example, real estate, who is dealing in gadgets, the moment they buy a gadget, your commission is going to be more than the person who has put sneakers, who has put a cloth, who has put something like which is more competitive. So that is one of the ways that I would love you people to see what you can do. So for you to also to expand, this is a pro tip. You want to do affiliate marketing. It means you are going to learn how to make at least the features and benefits. You make some clips. Now, for example, if I'm to talk about this, I'm selling this perfume, for example. This perfume is for men and it is from Venice. This is very great perfume. Now, I'll make a small clip. I talk about the features, the benefit. The features and benefits, it starts from the packaging. Yes, you can see. The features and benefits shows how small, mighty, it's tiny, but it's mighty. Then the main feature is the same. This perfume is oil based and it lasts for almost more than 24 hours. No one will pass by you and will not ask, where can I know the type of film that you use? And in that, if I make for you a video like this, I cut this clip and I put it on my WhatsApp status, then I put a link for this product. A link for this product will be direct from the company or the website or the where you got it from, where you're registered as an affiliate marketeer. So the moment someone clicks on that link and buys this, you get direct your commission. Or even if he clicks on and doesn't buy this but buys other products in that website or that platform, you get your commission. So I beg you, don't use just don't use WhatsApp status for only messaging. Let's talk about digital products. With the digital products, you guys, they are very good. What are we talking about digital products? We talk about digital products like ebooks. We are talking about CV templates. We are talking about business guides or even online courses. I've sold so far like PDF for my books. So, and I'm using all the people who are buying it are from WhatsApp status. So, for example, if I put every sanctuary has its own secret, I put it and I put a highlight of what is inside. You have to know how to make these things. If you want to know how to make these things, it is very free. You can use ChatGPT. You ask how you can get a hook of your link. Then there you get digital products are very, very good. Irrespective whether you're learned or you're not learned, you went to school, you have a degree or you don't have a degree, provided you have WhatsApp status, you have WhatsApp, you have a smartphone, you have internet. This one you can use. Now we have AI tools like Canva, AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini. You can use all this, and without forgetting CapCut for editing your things. Let's see what we call WhatsApp status marketing. WhatsApp status marketing is very good for everybody. Just market the products that you have. You don't know, everybody wants to advertise something. So why should you use your WhatsApp status to put, I'm suffering, I'm crying? Like right now, I might be going through something, but I can never put what I'm going. Oh God, will I go through this? So what? If people see what you're going through something, will they come to your help? No. So stop those things. Use WhatsApp status at least promote your products. They can be within your reach from outside or with any other company, from other groceries. You can do it. Let's talk about the last but least. I love this one so much. I've been doing it. It is content creation. Content creation, when I do my post, I always put links on my WhatsApp status, or I put thumbnails on my WhatsApp, because it drives traffic. People who see, depending on how I put it, they will run to watch this video. They will run to read this blog. They will run to read the post on Facebook, on TikTok, on Rumble, on YouTube. So we can make money, and it has been like this. The truth is, WhatsApp status is no longer for entertainment. it's no longer for messaging, it's for making money. Go out there, make money,